Hello, this is Greg. Hi, today I have a box of lights. This is just a open a package type video. Lift this up. What do I got here for stuff? Everything up. I'm not sure if that Tom Love is reading, is it? There it is. Okay. And then this little guy over here is not even pointed at this table. All right. Anyway, let's see what I got here. What did they do? There's 4. And 4. Now what I have, well, let's open up this one, the one with the, God, what did they tape this thing down with? All right. Come on now. There we go. Jesus. Build a goddamn spaceship out of some of this tape. Be perfect until something pinpricked it. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much what I ordered. They're all a bit scuffed up inside on the chrome part inside, and that's underneath the plastic. But anyway, can't complain too much. These were, let me pause a second. Okay, here they are right here. It's an 8-pack for $25.59, which comes to, down here on the bottom left here, $30.20 a piece. So, and I have one hooked up to the power supply here. So let's see, 12 volt, 300 milliamp, hit the go button and kaboom, light. This is what I use these wall warts for. Now that I don't have one laying around, right here. What's this one? Is this a 12 volt? Yeah. 12 volt, 1.5 amp. And let me see if these things will stay on. There we go. Wow. Surprised that didn't burn up. Okay, power on. That's at 5 volts, 6, a little bit of light, 7. So it does come on at 5. It's just a really light flicker. Oh, wrong switch. So 6 volts, it will actually, you get some light. Yeah, you really got to go up to get 12, maybe even 14, because that's what an alternator is going to put out when it's rolling down the road. So, yeah, they work. And, well, this one works. I'll check the rest of them. So if you're interested in something like this, if you buy them in bulk, the $2.99 shipping gets dispersed over 8 of them rather than 1. It makes it a lot easier to deal with. And, you know, you have to have a need for them. So I just use these little wall warts and power them up, plug them in, stick them around my shop. I have some with magnets on them. It's a super cheap way to have an easy shop light that you can actually put clips on and hook it up to your car battery too. So if you're interested, Temu, I think they still have them. Let's take a look. They still have the same deal going on. Yeah, $25.59 for an 8-pack. And that's what made me buy them too. The 4-pack is 19. So for an extra $5, you get 4 more lights. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.